Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if humanity simply vanished? What would become of our sprawling cities, our concrete jungles, our monuments to progress? Today, we're taking a journey into that very world. A world where nature has returned to reclaim what was once hers. Imagine this: a city that once pulsed with life now stands silent, a ghost of its former self. Skyscrapers, once symbols of human ambition, are now draped in a thick shroud of mist. Their steel and glass skeletons are almost completely hidden by a relentless tide of green. Dense vines snake their way up 1,000 feet, their leaves fluttering in the wind, while lush foliage spills from every broken window, turning these towers into vertical forests. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the distant cry of an unseen bird. This is not a city of decay, but one of transformation. A new kind of life has taken root here, patient and powerful. We descend from the rooftops, our journey taking us to street level. But these are not the streets you'll remember. The asphalt and concrete have long since disappeared, shattered and pushed aside by the force of nature. What were once bustling avenues are now wild, flowing rivers. The water is clear, gurgling over the rusted shells of cars and buses, which now serve as artificial reefs for schools of fish. Moss and algae cling to traffic lights that will never change again. Familiar landmarks are almost unrecognizable, swallowed by the green embrace. A grand old library is now a colossal green mound, its stone lions peeking out from a jungle of ivy. A sports stadium has become a sunken, water-filled crater, a new lake in the heart of the city. It's a hauntingly beautiful sight, a testament to nature's incredible ability to adapt and overcome. Every corner we turn reveals another scene of this quiet, powerful conquest. Our exploration takes us deeper into the city's underbelly. We ventured into the abandoned subway system, a network of tunnels that once carried millions. Now, it's a descent into an alien world. The entrances are choked with hanging vines and thick roots that have cracked the concrete. Inside, the darkness is absolute, a stark contrast to the sunlit world above. But it's not empty. The air is cool and damp, and the tunnels echo with the drip of water. As our eyes adjust, a faint, ethereal glow appears. Strange, bioluminescent fungi cling to the walls and ceilings, casting an eerie, beautiful blue and green light. They pulse gently, like a slow heartbeat, illuminating the tracks that lead into the abyss. These tunnels are no longer passages for trains, but dark, mysterious caves, home to life forms that have evolved in the absence of sunlight. It feels like stepping into another dimension, a hidden ecosystem thriving beneath the ruins. We continue our journey toward what was once the city center. This was the beating heart of the metropolis, a place of commerce and culture. Now, it's the heart of something far wilder. A famous Central Park, once a manicured oasis, has broken its boundaries. It has expanded relentlessly, consuming entire city blocks in its path. Office buildings, theaters, and shops have all been swallowed by this new, untamed wilderness. Towering trees, born from seeds that found purchase in cracked pavement, now form a dense canopy that blocks out the sky. The undergrowth is thick and treacherous, a tangle of bushes, ferns, and wildflowers. This is a place of savage beauty, where the rules of the city no longer apply. The sounds here are different: the rustle of unseen animals in the brush, the hum of insects, the powerful call of a predator. This isn't just a park anymore. It's a true wilderness, raw and untamed, asserting its dominance in the very core of the old world. As our journey nears its end, we ascend one final time. We climb to the top of the tallest skyscraper, the one that offers an unparalleled view of this transformed world. From this vantage point, the scale of nature's victory is breathtaking. As the sun begins to set, it casts a warm, golden glow across the landscape, painting the urban jungle in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Below us, An endless sea of green stretches to the horizon, punctuated by the vine-covered peaks of other buildings, like islands in a vast forest. The rivers that were once streets glitter in the fading light. There are no straight lines, no grid, only the organic, flowing shapes of the natural world. It's a moment of profound peace and awe. The city hasn't died. It has been reborn. This is the final, undeniable triumph of nature. A quiet, beautiful, and complete reclamation. Humanity is gone, but life, in all its resilient glory, has not only survived, it has flourished. Thank you for joining us on this speculative journey into a world. If you found this vision as fascinating as we did, consider subscribing for more explorations into the what-ifs of our world. Until next time, stay curious.